钱那边就都有换钱的，拿出你的台币去换。中学生ほらあるかな。
ご案内しますので、お気軽にお問い合わせください。次回は15番サービスサポートカウンターのフロアです。マックブックシリーズをはじめ、iMac、MacBook などのコーヒーになっているチョイスで、iPad を用意しています。サービスサポートカウンターには、デジタルキーを入れて、112列で、IT にご用意ください。
I want to interview you. Can I do that?
You can interview with my daughter.
I'm interested in like what makes you come to Japan because I'm so curious. What's the reason why choose Japan? Is it your trip?
The first trip.
First trip?
You come from Germany.
Germany?
Yes.
We like first Tokyo,
Tokyo?
and my daughter next year's maybe Champagne Hall. She's young, and we look with her here in your country. Yeah.
I'm so glad to hear that. And what was, is it first day today?
The last day
Last day?
was 9 days here.
9 days?
9 days. Yes. Tomorrow we fly to
Oh,
Germany.
really? Did you go to other places like Kyoto?
Only in Tokyo.
Only Tokyo.
Tokyo, Kamakura, Hiroshima,
Kamakura? Oh.
Yokohama.
Yokohama.
Yesterday, Yokohama.
And where is the place you have memory, like you feel interested or something surprising?
Kamakura and
Kamakura?
Hiroshima, and Sencho Temple, Asakusa.
Ah, Asakusa.
Yeah.
And Asakusa has like so many people, right?
Yeah. Yeah. But our hotel is in Asakusa, and the shrine is 2 minutes to go.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. We can go early in the morning or late in the afternoon, and no people. They have the shrine.
Oh,
for
that's
us.
nice.
Yeah.
I like the temple,
Yeah.
Sensoji, Asakusa
Yeah.
temple.
Yeah.
And the light up at night is
Yeah.
beautiful and
It looks beautiful when the lights are on and it's quiet and
yes. And what are you eating?
Wie heißt es?
Fish.
Taiyaki. With walnut
You like it?
and red bean.
Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. Yeah. I always like this.
Yeah.
Is there any other place you really like it? Like in Tokyo? Any other place for tourists to Japan? Recommendation place to visit? Your recommendation?
The hotspots, all the hotspots here in Tokyo. It's for German people the big town with many people and was hat man für Eindrücke? The illusion is wow.
Even for Japanese, Tokyo is so like so illusion like.
Yeah.
We was in New York and it was so much snow here.
Yeah.
And also many advertisements and flashy kind of things. Yeah.
Tokyo is very, very big. New York is a small town. Yeah. And the people are very friendly. Yes, it's all sauber, clean here in the streets. No damp and yes, it's no smell from the cars. Yeah.
A great town.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you
You're
very much.
welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice trip.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.